It is very possible for you to get your first salary within a month of coming into the UK. So many people have done it and so many people can still do it. Hi, my name is Chinenye. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be discussing the steps you can take to get your first salary within a month of coming into the UK. Some people coming into the UK are eager to hit the ground running and get a job as soon as possible. Mind you, you have to get a job within your visa restrictions. So if you're a student, make sure you're doing a part-time job, and if you are on a visa that allows you full-time working, then you're free to go. Before you start applying for these jobs, there are some things that you need to have in hand already. Some things that will solidify your immigration status, your work permit, and the kinds of jobs that you can do. You need to get your BRP, your biometric residence permit. It has details about you, your name, your date of birth, your immigration status, what kind of visa you are on, if you can do full-time or part-time jobs, and an expiry date. There's also a BRP number there that the employer would use to verify that you are allowed to work in the UK and you're allowed to do this kind of job. You need your NI also, because your employer is probably going to pay your NI for you. So you have to submit your NI to them so that before they pay you your salary, they take out the NI on behalf of the government. If you don't have your permanent NI, it is not a problem. You can always submit the temporary one. When you get the permanent NI, the records of the permanent and the temporary will be merged together, so nothing is lost. Don't worry. You need your bank account. There are so many bank accounts that you can open from the comfort of your home within a week or two. All you need to do is go online, pick a bank of your choice, and go to their website to open the account. Just make sure you have a stable and verifiable address to open this account. You need to have gotten your SIM card, because your employer or whoever is interviewing you or communicating with you about this job will probably need to have your number to talk to you, call you, interview you, ask you questions or whatever. They will also need your number to know your availability. So make sure you have a SIM card so that you can communicate with potential employers, your new colleagues, and everybody involved in the job application. Now that you have your records ready, you need to apply. You can go to Indeed Jobs, Read Jobs, Flex Jobs, Total Jobs online, register and search for immediate start jobs. Those are jobs that really don't need much experience or serious interview process. You could get those jobs within a very short period of time and get paid the next week or the following week or the next month. Most times these jobs pay weekly. Make sure to adjust your CV when you are applying for these jobs. Even though the jobs don't need specific experience or a serious interview process, you always need to adjust your CV to give yourself a solid foundation, a good standing, and give yourself a head above the rest in the interview, in the application process. Always make sure to adjust your CV. Be flexible in the jobs that you're willing to take. Yes, there are jobs that you can get within a month, but most times those jobs might not be exactly the kind of jobs that you are used to or the kind of jobs that you want. But since you are in a hurry to get money, since you really need money urgently, you have to be flexible and take what is offered. When you get those immediate start jobs, you can then start applying to the jobs that you really want. Apply to as many as possible. Apply till you get what you're looking for. There are so many other people applying to these jobs, but the more you apply, the more you get your CV out there, the higher your chances of getting these immediate start jobs. Remember, these jobs do not have any specific experience requirements. They do not have any serious interview process. You basically just need people on ground to do stuff for them. So apply to as many as possible and then take the best one that comes. Good luck. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope my video today helps you in getting a job as soon as you want in the UK as an immigrant. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, drop your questions and topic suggestions in the comment box. Share my videos, share my channel link with your friends, with people that are planning to come into the UK, or people that are already in the UK, or people that newly came into the UK. Share my video with everybody that you feel like my videos would help. Thank you.